Hello my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we gonna discuss about Moto G60. Introducing the Moto G60, the latest addition to Motorola's popular G series of smartphones. The Moto G60 boasts a large 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. This makes it perfect for streaming your favorite shows and movies, or for browsing the web. Standout features of the Moto G60 is its camera system. It has a triple lens setup on the back, with a 108-megapixel main lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens. You to take stunning photos and videos with incredible detail, even in low light conditions. With features like Night Vision and Cinemagraph, you can take your photography to the next level. The Moto G60 also has an impressive battery life, thanks to its 6000 mAh battery. This means you can stay connected all day, without having to worry about running out of power. Under the hood, the Moto G60 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732 grams processor, along with 6 GB of RAM. This gives you the power you need to run multiple apps at once, and to play even the most demanding games without any lag. The Moto G60 also has a sleek and modern design, with a 3D curved back that feels great in the hand. Plus, with a splash-proof design, you don't have to worry about accidental spills or splashes. Overall, the Moto G60 is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful, feature-packed smartphone at an affordable price. With its impressive camera system, long-lasting battery, and powerful performance, it's sure to meet all your needs. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video and share among your friends. Make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and set the bell icon at all.